This is hot chocolate. No, really, it is. It bursts open with liquid and it's portable, bite-sized, absolutely delicious, and really easy to make at home. Let's grab our syringe, our precision scale, calcium lactate, and sodium alginate and begin. Hot chocolate is one of my favorite drinks. I don't drink coffee, so hot chocolate is my go-to for a warming drink. But sometimes you don't want a full cup of hot chocolate, sometimes you just want a quick hit of it. And I haven't gotten to the point where I can inject it directly into my veins, so this is the next best thing. Even though these spheres are a little weird, at their core is a magnificent hot chocolate, which is wonderful on its own. Unfortunately, we need to go back to math class to make these spheres, so we take that liquid, measure 2% of the weight of the liquid in calcium lactate, and mix it together. Then we measure 0.5% of the weight of our water in sodium alginate and mix as well. We freeze our hot chocolate mixture in sphere molds, drop it in our hot sodium alginate bath, and as it melts, the outside will gel up while keeping the inside of our spheres liquid. So even though they look weird, I assure you